Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of rose quartz, known as the stone of universal love. Stay tuned to discover its meanings, benefits, and how you can incorporate this beautiful crystal into your daily life. Rose quartz is a type of quartz that exhibits a gentle pink essence. It's renowned for its soft, feminine energy that resonates deeply with the heart chakra. The primary meaning of rose quartz revolves around unconditional love. This stone is believed to purify and open the heart at all levels, promoting love, self-love, friendship, deep inner healing, and feelings of peace. One of the most profound benefits of rose quartz is its ability to restore trust and harmony in relationships, encouraging unconditional love. If you're looking to boost your self-esteem, this crystal can help release toxic emotions and open your heart to new levels of compassion. Are you curious about how to use rose quartz in your daily life? Here are some simple yet powerful ways to harness its energy. First, wearing rose quartz jewelry is a popular method. Necklaces, bracelets, and rings keep the stone's energy close to your heart, enhancing your aura with love and harmony. It's not just a fashion statement but a constant source of positivity. Placing a piece of rose quartz on your nightstand or under your pillow can promote a peaceful night's sleep and encourage pleasant dreams. It's also known to foster a calming environment, making it a perfect addition to your bedroom decor. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of tranquility. Using rose quartz during meditation is another effective way to connect with its energy. Simply hold the crystal in your hand or place it on your heart chakra while meditating to deepen your practice and open your heart. This practice can be especially beneficial during stressful times, helping you to find your center. Some people like to infuse their water with rose quartz. Known as crystal elixirs, these drinks are believed to carry the stone's loving vibrations, enhancing your emotional well-being. Just ensure you use a safe method to create these elixirs, as not all crystals are suitable for direct contact with water. Remember, rose quartz comes in many forms: polished stones, raw crystals, spheres, and even as part of home decor items. No matter the form, its energy remains potent and beneficial. You can also place rose quartz in your workspace to promote a harmonious and productive environment. Another great way to use rose quartz is to incorporate it into your daily journaling routine. Holding the stone or keeping it close by while you write can help you to express your thoughts and emotions more freely, fostering self-discovery and personal growth. We hope this guide has illuminated the wonderful benefits of rose quartz for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more gemstone insights. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and may your heart be filled with love and light.